right, my friend, let's go grab some turkey dinner. Let's check out what it's like having American Thanksgiving in North America, Mexico. Let's go, vamonos, vamonos. All right, my friend, we're gonna drive over to the port side. And where are we going again, Jennifer?
La Serena.
La Serena, all right. So this is a very popular Gringo Hangout on Wednesday night. They have live music down there, playing the old 80s rock and roll.
Well, no, not technically. It's an open mic night.
Open mic night.
So it ends up being old white people playing old 80s rock and roll music.
Yeah, exactly what I just said.
Yeah. But technically that's not what it is. It's an open mic night.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, Christmas stuff is out already. Let's go, let's go. Thanksgiving, Thanksgiving. Hallelujah. A little bit of rain today, as you can see, a little wet. Chico, we are on the highway going into Puerto Morelos, heading to the port side, to the beach. Vámonos, let's go, let's go. All right, my friend, let's go see how they do up turkey dinner here in Mexico. See if it's any good. I'm sure it will be delicious.
In a beach town on the Caribbean.
Yeah. There you got the super chitarawi. Oh, okay, yeah, they got the stage set up over there, getting ready for Christmas festivities. Oh, that's a really big stage too. Probably for this weekend, I guess. That lights, camera, action. Cool. Okay, we gotta go. We're running late. My belly is empty too, so I'm pretty hungry. So that's where we're going, right over there, the teal blue building right above the Circle K. I never even noticed that, the Circle K. Cool. I think Jen booked us on the patio. Okay. All right, well, we're here for the turkey dinner, but there's a quick view of the menu there, my friend. French onion soup for 165 pesos. So there's all of your starters there. Oh, Chicken Slovakia. Wow, it's a platter for $425. Greek style lamb chops. Holy. That sounds amazing. The grouper. Amazing. How's your drink?
Good.
Okay.
Next to the river.
Sexy Mexi. But they were like 190 pesos, I believe. Yeah, 190. I haven't even touched mine yet. I better give it a try. Got mezcal in it. Mezcal and pineapple. It's good. Okay, well, it looks pretty good, but we're waiting on the gravy though. She's gonna bring a side of gravy for us. Well, I seen the table beside us over there. She was pouring gravy on it for them, so it looks amazing. How does it taste?
First bites are good.
First bite is good, she said. Well, I'll wait for my gravy. And salt and pepper my greenery. What the heck are those things called again? Brussels sprouts. I had a brain freeze for that. The Brussels sprouts. The rabbit food. Beautiful view. Hopefully it don't rain. Well, she came with the gravy rather quickly. And the gravy is really, really good actually. Got a very nice flavor. Very good Thanksgiving dinner, I must say. 100% thumbs up with a beautiful view of the Caribbean Ocean here in Puerto Morelos. Okay, provecho. Well, I must say the turkey is very moist. The gravy is really good. The potatoes are really good. The Brussels sprouts are okay. Jen gives them a thumbs up. I like Brussels sprouts too, I really do. I haven't had any in a very long time. We were just...
Very little food you don't like.
Yeah, there's very little food I don't like, that's right. So we were just reminiscing of Thanksgiving gone by. And I think the last time we had turkey dinner for Thanksgiving was in Progreso in the Yucatan. Like 4 years ago, 3 years ago, 4 years ago. It's been a while. So, okay.
2022.
Oh, Jen's having another drink. She's getting her drink on. Look at you go. Boozing her up. Living with me, I don't blame her.
She's a good girl, loves her mama, loves she's very good too. She's a good girl, crazy about Elvis, loves horses, and her boyfriend too. It's a long day living in Puerto Morelos.
Yeah, so Jen's like, I hope it's not Costco pumpkin pie. I don't think that's Costco pumpkin pie. Looks pretty homemade to me. And we got the ice cream on top. And it looks absolutely amazing.
With ice cream.
Yeah. It's like natural ice cream.
No.
How is it? Que rico?
Here we go.
Que rico. Okay, provecho. All right, Chico, so we had 3 drinks. They were 195 pesos each, so that was 585 for the drinks. The 2 dinners were only 840 pesos, so 420 a meal. Not bad. And the 2 pumpkin pies were 130 pesos each. And 45 pesos extra for the pie a la mode. So tack on another 90 pesos. And I got a bottle of water for 50. So a grand total of 1825. Not bad for a fancy night out at a Caribbean restaurant with a beautiful view of the rainy Caribbean Ocean. It did start to rain. Oh well, that's okay. We're not made of sugar. We'll make our way back to the car here in a bit.
Man, I'm stuffed.
Yeah, I'm stuffed too. Okay, well, we thoroughly enjoyed our dinner, my friend. Thank you so much for joining us.
Adios. Hasta el próximo video.
Thanks for watching. God bless everybody out there. Peace on earth. And again, happy Thanksgiving to all of our Americano friends. Adios. Hasta luego. God bless. And as always, be kind to one another.
Bye bye.
Adios.